Once you have your picture drawn in your learning log, you're going to want to go over and find some of the tools that we're going to be using for stamping. And you want to pick out some things that, you know, would make sense for your design. So I have some circles up here, so I picked out this circle shape that I can use. I also want to have a piece of cardboard because I'm going to be doing some straight lines. And I want to have some rectangles, so I have some of those. And then I've created I took a piece of cardboard and I curved it and then I taped it so I can do this curved shape here. And then I just found this. I thought this would be fun to put some stamps on there. So once you have a couple of things gathered, then you're going to grab your paper and you will get a tray of white. You'll probably be sharing this with your elbow partner, and you're going to start to design your building. So always keep an eye on this, and I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up. I'm going to start with the door, and I can just use this shape, and I can just set it in the white paint. Okay, now because I didn't put it very deep, it's just on the outside, which is kind of what I want. I don't want these round parts for my window, or for my door anyway. Then I set it down and pick it up. And I want to do it again. And I'll put these a little bit close together so it looks like a door. So once this is dirty, then you're going to want to put it on some paper towel. And I'll maybe do this different shape, the smaller one with the dots, to put over here. Or let's see, we'll put them this way, see what happens. Okay, so this one got a little bit fuller. Then I'll put this here. So that has a little bit more detail, doesn't it? And then I'll do it again. I'm not going all the way down, it's just going to the edge here. So I have some windows next to it. Then maybe I can even put one on top. And that doesn't look too bad, even though I didn't re-dip it, because there was so much paint on that one, it kind of worked again. Let's see, could I do it again? Well, that's starting to get a little bit light. So I'm going to start, I want to do some walls, so I'm just going to take a cardboard and dip that in. And I'm going to do my walls going up the side, on both sides. When you start to see white or blue coming through, that means you need to put more paint on it. So I just redipped it. Then I'm going to come across. Maybe I'll make this a little bit shorter because I want to get that top part on. Filling in those spaces, being careful when I put this down so it lines up. And then maybe I'll skip this part and put the curved part in because I like that. So I'm going to use this curved part, dip it in the paint, and then I can just put it down like that so it looks sort of like a scalloped edge. Maybe do one more here. I'll put these circles inside here, so I'll dip those in the paint. Again, just barely touching it. Dip, dip, dip. I actually like it with a little bit less paint better. Then I can just continue building as I go up.